just made it out to the Florida Springs with the homie Christy.
Hi.
And I heard there's some manatees right out here, so we're gonna take the paddleboard over and try to get some selfies with some manatees. Woo!
You guys want to meet my friend Fred? Here we go. That was freaking epic.
All right, just made it out to Blue Lake with the boys, and we're gonna get some double sets in right now. So basically, I'm gonna hook up my rope down here. I'll be right about 7 feet behind Gunner with his rope up there. And I got both Ace Pros on here. We got one in wide and one in vertical. We're gonna be shooting 4K 120 to get that epic slow-mo. And yeah, gonna get up close and personal with the boys. Let's get her done. Get it. Woo!